Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Traders around the world, my name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners. And as you know, I trade using the Ninja trading system. This morning, 8 a.m. UK time, I delivered an introduction to many for what they would say is a game changer on the trading charts. It's trading indices, it's trading gold, and more to come with currencies of the exact same setup. So far, of the 6 trading instruments we looked at, 4, that's right, 4 already have been successful and achieved the target. I'm going to show you the wins. I'm going to show you what you either achieved by trading this way or what you missed out. If you want to learn to trade like Jeff, that's right, that's me, just ask me how. Here we go, I'm going to share my screen right now. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. First thing we're going to do is we'll look at the chart. I want to start with the trading instruments. First of all, I'm using the NAS 100, SPX 500, that's Standard & Poor's 500, US oil, the German 30, US 30, and also on top of that, gold. So I'm looking currently at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in gold, 6 various trading instruments. Now, let's start off. We're going to go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 up there. We're going to go through them all from right to left. I want to show you the facts. Ladies and gentlemen who was on with me this morning, you will understand this trade setup. Yep. Move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. Here's your 11 o'clock candle, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. The point of control, the target. The target. Did it just beat it a little bit? Or did it completely smash through that target to a whole new level? Have you missed out on this incredible trade setup, ladies and gentlemen? You're missing out. So let's actually look at the number of pips we would have got from entry, where we got our ninja up, if you were awake at that time, to the target, the first target. Now, the first target there, that's 23 points. Now, for those people who are numbered points to pips, that's right. Thank you very much. But it didn't stop there, ladies and gentlemen. It carried on. It carried on. That's the initial target. If you chose to stay in that trade, you would have got thank you very much. For those people who come on with me who want to understand the strategy, 23 to the initial target, and have you stayed in 194 points, which is 1,940 pips. One currency instrument, one trade. Let's go to the next one. The NAS 100. Every single day, ladies and gentlemen, people have been profiting from this particular setup I share in a private members group. There's the 11 o'clock candle right there. Yep, I switched to Heikin-Ashi candles. Yep. Ask yourself, where's the target? Where was the previous day? That's the target right there. Did it hit it? Yeah, we got the ninja up. We got the ninja up here. Thank you very much. Boom. 253 points, 2,530 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you, if you're not getting these trades, to jump on. It did go a little bit up a little bit more, but let's stop it there. 2 trades 2 wins. German 30. Where's the 11 o'clock candle? 11 o'clock candle's there. Where's our target? I'll remove this out of the way. The previous, there's a target there. Let me just double check. I know it's a bit messy, but the people who got on with me today understand what that is. I'm going to remove this here. There's a target. Boom. Straight to the previous day target. No messing. Straight to it. Let's see how many pips that was. If you get into the ninja down. Thank you very much. 289 points. 2,890 pips. Next setup. 3 out of 3. The US 30. The Dow Jones. Ladies and gentlemen, this is almost getting embarrassing how we are schooling the markets. So, 11 o'clock candle. Where's the previous day's target? Right there. Boom. Straight to it. Once again, 51 points, 510 pips. 4 trades, 4 wins. You can count up the numbers for yourself. On a daily basis, I'm sharing these trades in a private members group. I do encourage you to take advantage of the opportunities if you're seeking to either learn or seeking to stop losing trades. People are perhaps struggling. Now, the 2 I've not mentioned yet is the SPX 500, that's Standard & Poor's 500, and gold. Yeah, I'm going to be honest with you. These have not achieved the target. Yep. So we would not been entered in that trade because it was in a red zone. We got this one up, but the ninja was before it. We got one here, but it did not achieve our aim. So the way I would trade this, ladies and gentlemen, well, we would have been up 70 points, 700 pips. I would have exited when it went into the red zone, 45 points, 450 pips. Thank you very much. Gold. 11 o'clock candle. Previous days, that's our target right there. That's a target right there. Yeah, has it achieved it? No. But let's put on our indicators. Let's put on the ninja sauce, which we bring as a ninja trader. Yeah. Let me get this setup working right. Let me get this setup working right. Yeah. Here we go. Just going to do this out. So that's our target there. Price goes up from, let me see the point there. Let me get this. That's our target right there. But I do apologize, ladies and gentlemen. I got in right from the start. Thank you very much. I think I missed that one. No, that was the day before. That was the one the day before I was on. I got that one. So that's a previous day there. Yeah, that's the 11 o'clock candle. Yeah, there, ladies and gentlemen, there is a zone. There is a zone. I spoke about people on the live session. We're potential in the sell zone. We are because of it. If you did take it here, 938 points, 9,300. No, that doesn't work. With gold, it's the opposite way around. I apologize. With gold, with my broker, anyway, that's 93 pips. With yours, maybe 938. Add the numbers, share your successes, share it with others. I do encourage you, but I'm going to share with some simple rules with you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to share some simple rules now. Because all we're really doing is looking for simple rules. That's all we're doing. Simple decisions, simple decisions. Simple Trade setups, that's right, simple trade setup. Let's go to the NAS. I'll remove some things. Here we go. Here we go. Remove everything. Remove everything. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you how this works. Listen carefully. Simple rules. Green, buy. Red, sell. Green, buy. Red, sell. Red, sell.
Just 2 instructions I need you to follow.
Here we go.
When I say red light,
Red.
I need you to stop. When I say green light, I need you to go.
Buy.
Red light. Green light.
Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Easy. Buy. Sell. Buy.
Now when the strobe light hits,
Sell.
I want you to move like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world, it really doesn't get any easier than this. The Ninja trading system is incredible. I'm going to leave on a volume.
Hit the strobe.
We're going to go back in time. We're going to go back. We're going to go back. We're going to go back.
Hit the strobe.
Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold.
Hit the strobe. Hit the strobe.
Here we go.
Hit the strobe.
Here we go. Previous state, point of control. Target, done there. Boom, smash through it. New one. 11 o'clock candle. Previous state, point of control. Boom, smash hit the target. 11 o'clock candle. New one. Boom.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you. That's right. I encourage you.
So when I say red light,
This time I'm going to put them on.
red light. Green light.
Here we go. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go back. Here we go. Previous stage point of control. Easy.
Now when the strobe light hits, I want you to move like this.
Previous stage point of control. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that.
Strobe light hits.
Ever so slightly short. We did take that one, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this one. Woo! 1,300 points, 13,000 pips, one trade. Ninja trading coming your way. Next one, here we go. 11 o'clock candle. Here's the trade. Straight in there. This one, point of control previous day there. Smashed it through, right through there, look. I encourage you. If you were missing out, I encourage you. Put your hand up. Say, I want to become a ninja. I want to learn with all the other ninjas that are getting this part of their membership. If you're a ninja, want to learn some Indices, how it works, just give us a shout. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me as you do already on Facebook. And you will also get some inside information. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. And I'll literally see you at the top. Bye for now.